Hey guys, how's it going? This video we're gonna go into on how I build my dragon fruit trellises. This is gonna be a dragon fruit series that I'm going to start on my channel. We're gonna learn about how to pollinate dragon fruit, graft dragon fruit, growing conditions, soil requirements, fertilization, stuff of that nature. But today's video we're gonna focus on actually building the trellis that I use to grow my dragon fruit. So right here we have a 4x4, a couple of 2x2s. The 4x4 is cut to 56 inches. You can cut to however long or short you need them, depending on your pots and your requirements. The top's going to be a 2x2 square, so we cut two 2-foot 2x4s and three 21-inch 2x4s. We have 7.5-inch 2x4s, and that's going to serve as the base to help so it won't fall over. And then we got two 14-inch braces that we're going to use to support the actual structure. So what I like to do is pre-drill or pre-screw my screws into my 24-inch boards, and then we're going to grab one of our 21-inch boards and we're going to place it on the inside of these boards, and that will give us the 24-inch square for our top. So now that we got our basis square done for the top, we're going to add our center board, and then we're going to screw it to our square. Now that we got the top done, we're going to work on the base. We're going to use our 7.5-inch 2x4s. We're going to connect it to our 4x4 at the base. So we're just going to line it up and screw it in. So now that we have the base done, we're going to put our top on top of the base, and then we're going to go ahead and screw it down. Just make sure that it is even distance from the inside to the base. That way it's not, one side's not heavier than the other. So now that we have our structure done, we're going to add our braces to the top side, and this will help strengthen the top, because as the dragon fruit grows and umbrellas over, tend to get a little heavy, so this just adds a little protection from the wood bending and warping. And that will conclude our build on the dragon fruit trellis. Now it's ready for dragon fruit that we're going to pot up here in the future. If you like this video, please like and comment. If you like the content, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.